Using Newton's divided difference formula, compute f of 8 for this table of values. When we will have to use Newton's divided difference formula, we have to first construct divided difference table. We will write x and f of x values. First difference column is computed such that 392 minus 150 divided by 7 minus 5 is written here in midway between these two values. Next value will be 1452 minus 392 divided by 11 minus 7, which is written in midway between these two values in this column, and so on. We can find out the first differences, which are the first divided difference values. In order to find out second divided difference, we will take 265 minus 121 divided by 11 minus 5. We will skip one mid value. The next value is evaluated such that numerator will be 457 minus 265 and denominator will be 13 minus 7. This value is skipped. In order to get the next value, which comes in the second divided difference column, we will have to take 709 minus 457 in the numerator, and in the denominator we have to take difference between 17 and 11, skipping 13. Thus, we will evaluate all the values in the second divided difference column. In order to evaluate third divided difference, we will take difference between 32 and 24 in the numerator, and in the denominator we have to take difference between 13 and 5. Two values in the middle are skipped. Now, the next value in the third divided difference column will be 42 minus 32, which is written in the numerator, and in the denominator we will have to write difference between 17 and 7, skipping these two values. Thus, we have obtained third divided difference value are constant values, which are 1 and 1. Since we have obtained constant value in the third divided difference column, we will have fourth divided difference value will be 0. In the fourth divided difference table, we would have written 1 minus 1 divided by 17 minus 5, skipping 3 values in the middle. Thus, we will get fourth divided difference takes 0. Since we wish to find f of 8 using Newton's divided difference formula, we will have x naught equals 5, which is the leading input. First divided difference 121 will be taken, second divided difference 24 will be taken, and third divided difference 1 will be taken. That is, all the leading divided difference values will be taken. Newton's divided difference formula is given by f of x equals f of x naught plus x minus x naught into first divided difference plus x minus x naught into x minus x1 multiplied to second forward difference at x naught plus etc. x minus x naught into x minus x1 etc. x minus xn minus 1 multiplied to nth divided difference at x naught. Here it can be written as f of x naught plus x minus x naught into first divided difference plus x minus x naught into x minus x1 multiplied to second divided difference plus x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x2 multiplied to third divided difference. These notations are denoting divided differences. Delta f of x naught and square bracket x naught x1 denotes first divided difference at x naught. Similarly, delta square f of x naught and square bracket x naught x1 x2 denotes second divided difference at x naught, and so on. Since we have x naught equals 5 and it is given that f of x naught equals 150, we have from the table x1 equals 7 and x2 equals 11. Thus we have, using Newton's divided difference formula, f of x equals 150 plus x minus 5 into 121 plus x minus 5 into x minus 7 into 24 plus x minus 5 into x minus 7 into x minus 11 into 1, which will give us the interpolating polynomial x cube plus x square. Substituting x equals 8 in this polynomial, we will obtain f of 8 equals 576. You can also evaluate value of f of 8 by just giving x equals 8 everywhere in this expression.